But subsidies can set or argument as cost of petrol. Federal Energy Minister Chris Bowen has announced new change to the government's battery subsidies and claims more of its $2,000 billion budget has been spent in this fixed months. The minister pointed to five new initiatives today while addressing the solar and battery industries, which are increasingly worried about the risk of a boom-bust cycle for the spring. And the program announced in the run-up to the election in April which can accelerate the household and small businesses can cut the budget on the upfront cost of the battery. Mr. Bowen said on Saturday morning that the nuclear budget to be released next week will include an additional $5 billion for this year. We are managing a program of success and expansion. Australians are taking up this program with serious enthusiasm. He said, "Today I'm also noting adjustment going forward to make sure the program continues to be fair and sustainable." The policy was supposed to slash the purchase price of a battery by about 60%, saving customers only and $4,000 when the typical system with 10 kilowatt hours of storage. But industry science says poor design has full rush towards bigger system up to the maximum available size of 50 kilowatt hours and brings the variable budget much higher than the government was anticipating. While the government stated the money will last until 2030. Analysts say much of the budget has already been spent and will be housed by bigger policy tools from Finn the founder of comparison website SolarPods, said the government used the design of the policy and was not very utilized. It the same as it was designed recent weeks it has the gateway speed per kilowatt hours. He said this means starter had every incentive to sell maximum degrees possible eligible for base game. For example, he said the battery with 10 kilowatt hours of storage would take a debate of about $5,000. A system with 50 kilowatt hours of storage, by contrast, will collect about $18,000 and be paid by subsidies. The Australian Energy Regulator says a typical home uses between 15 and 20 kilowatt hours of electricity a day. However, Mr. Privat said the consumer would end up paying about the same amount for both systems. As a result, he said fewer people were consuming up a greater share of the money than was expected or budgeted by the their X kilowatt hours worth of cash in out and people are getting in the system, then fewer people can benefit from it, says they are like, oh, 373 kilowatt hours, a maximum of 5 kilowatt hours. If I got verify a battery for 373 dollars kilowatt hours, everyone will buy 50 kilowatt hours. Mr. Bowen said a charging system was introduced from Malaysia with four stages in line with the size of the battery. It with the initial $2 billion budget would be spent in the coming year, but project exhibition of flaws in the scheme's design. It was even more successful than we thought, said. It has been at the upper end of our expectations, even more successful than we hoped. And that's a good thing. I don't think that's something we should be very proud. Short and unreused. Unreused participants who we are not most obvious is the common cost of their work at facing the government. Save the scheme that create significant waste. They point out that most households were only using about 10 kilowatt hours of power overnight and would struggle to fill a system with 5 times most storage. One critic said, "You end up with a lot of batteries that will never fill up, just sitting there empty forever." It for by the Australian taxpayer. It was a argument insured by Mr. Peacock. They anticipate an average increase size. Nicholas said, but it's much bigger than their dispatch. I think the average is over 20 kilowatts per hour. Last time I looked, it might over 25 kilowatts per hour. They know, and I think they are expected the average to be closer to 10 kilowatt hours. Mr. Bowen was convicted for comment on Friday, but the ABC understanding solar and batteries were as yesterday to join an urgent briefing by the minister today outlining major challenges to the policy. These were expected to include expanding free funding and overhaul of eligible criteria to put the program on a more sustainable footing. Since announcing the policy earlier this year, the government has told it as a major success for Australia's energy transition and adoption of renewable energy. The minister has repeatedly referred to the boom in demand it has created, with almost 1,000 batteries installed since it is a remarkably strong backup and it is the outer support pursuits of the region which have laid way. Mr. Bowen said yesterday as her children wagga and just told us, don't look boost. Mr. Peacock said the scheme had been Mr. Peacock said the same had been a roaring success in some ways. For starters, he said it has obviously highlights underlying demand for batteries in Australia, where one in three households had solar panels. He said it would also have a little benefits to the household enough to take advantage of it as well as the system of working. But he worried that his design flaws were serious and could touch much earlier than the scheme itself. But one of his major contrasts was the flight by consumers to the cheapest batteries on the market, a trend they was being foiled by the incentive to maximum size rather than quality. On top of that, he said the spread of free electricity periods during the middle of the day to have so-called excess solar power was creating another issue. People get the battery then they run them absolutely for a total for 3 hours a day to charge them from the free electricity. What we are seeing is that is really stretching these batteries to the extent they have had a recall already. Series battery maker Shane should voluntary recall for some of its infrared large moon over concerns about overheating pumps. Ultimately, natural people say this game creating a boom scenario for Australia's solar and battery installation industry. He said the generous nature of the policy has generated real interest from the consumers, but they argued much of this demand was likely pulled forward from future years. People have been trying to expect batteries to be really cheap now, he said. As such, he said any moves by the government to rein in agreeing to an program could destroy much of the demand and leave the industry feeling yesterday. Mr. Peacock argued the government should implement what he said were sensible changes to the scheme, such as reducing the maximum size of a battery that was eligible for provide and appropriate value for the system. Waterworks discovery based on ground-scale journalists, and transonic. The Medal of Art through Your Own Waterworks discovery is the plotline of a Hollywood drama. The sale of any company big and small is a complex affair that involves a team of professionals, racial negotiation, and a big deal of money. But the execution of Waterworks discovery also features good financing, display tax, and the some of the rich and famous people in the world. This case includes Hollywood, Ivy League, and Shakespeare, and Donald Trump, so the law George Curzon. It is not hard to guess guess why there has been a massive scramble to secure the case to one of the crowning jewels of the Hollywood. Warner Bros. Discovery is home to some of the biggest films in cinema, including Casablanca and Harry Potter franchise, as well as a slate of highly popular HBO shows such as The Sopranos and The company went through a mega merger in 2022 where Warner Media, a bigger than all major Bros studios, HBO and CNN merged with the Warner Discovery, which features a backup content such as the Discovery Channel and Animal Planet. With the returning ratings and revenue decline, it is cable network in the age of streaming. Chief Executive David Zaslav announced in June that Warner Bros. Discovery was going to sell into two companies. The assumption was that its parts could be worth more than the good. With the television, movies, and streaming business to be spun off into the publicly traded company and its other networks, including CNN and another. The Chief Executive on Paramount Pictures, David Ellison, son of billionaire Oracle founder Larry Ellison, entered the chat with a pitch to double up the company. It is started before it was divided. In what analysts describe as takeover season in the movie industry. The younger Ellison had just pulled off a similar deal with his company's Skydance podcast of the Paramount Paramount Skydance. The deal with Ellison into the rare free cycle of media molecules. According Warner Bros. Discovery would be adopted in his escape. In a bid to obtain Warner Bros. Discovery, Ellison went and named here was Warner Bros. counterpart personally visit Brussels. When the didn't work out, his bid, but Joseph went unmoved. Leaving the field free for the Triton Comcast to sort in with the offers. Netflix ended Victorians in early December with the show announced when the streaming giant would acquire the iconic Warner and HBO properties for US $72 billion or $108 billion. Warner Bros. Have defined the last century of entertainment, and together we can define the next one. Netflix co-chief executive Alexander said at the time, but Paramount did not ready to let anything walk away with its price. This week, Ellison left his Mr. Nice guy approach behind and deployed that edge of his sleeve and launching a hostile takeover bid for Warner Bros. In an effort to torpedo the Netflix deals. His financial backers include his billionaire father and Trump sounding proud caution. The dramatic escalation in the fight for Warner Bros. Discovery is one of the biggest deals in recent corporate memory. The kicks off film industry panic about the future of mainstream movie and moving going. The cast of players in Paramount's orbit.
Plastik pun kalau dibandingin sama plastik yang PK kita, plastik putih juga nggak perlu. Plastik putih yang di sana ada plastik putih gitu buat es batu katanya. Itu pun nggak perlu. Gitu doang. Berapa ya? Ya apa-apa lah.
Our favorite pair movie stars of the Robert Art Frontier fun and much needed weight of fresh art. The super celebrity forecast critics is and the problematic reading like hard wave in the fall of Jonathan Bennett and Pedro Pascal. In a time made by division over politics and pretty much everything else, Pascal and Blair has seemingly united the internet by a very simple principle. It's okay to fun. It's okay. Have some fun being a celebrity. Case in point is the image which includes girls with one of the waves most big in the art of the film. And Amelia this moment on Friday will come no fail with other popular YouTube series, and she can show that their words including conversation range from calling their relationship and very qualified their description with from Papa to her asking him about the James Way has spending so weird to Beyonce cowboy carpet to show that ability. Are they going to be with the boom or without the boom? C8. To which Billy responds, we will see. Maybe they will evolve as the night goes on and the night goes on. For those who didn't know him, and Billy was first introduced to Post after achieving part of 3 seasons of The Break. He then charged for our attention when he starred in which part 1 last year as the Dashing Prince Rio. Next up, Barry Bailey is starring Jurassic Park Returns and alongside Scarlett Johansson this week before he reprises his role as Fiora in which followed in November. Walt has made audience fall in love with Barry off-screen talk. That he can be 40 and this Sherman and Bullsong all in the same place. Further proof is the fireplace that was based support is shooting at little place. Many cut for the new world that he sport in Jurassic Park Rebirth. Concluded by the interpersonal become the broadcast after audience saw Wednesday placed in the first trial for the film. Fully embracing the moment, Beirut Tower Entertainment tonight at the London premiere of Jurassic World Rebirth and the ride is born. Part having a harmonious explosion linked to optical support. He also saw his viral moments. There is several equivalent not only romantic and also very broke our house. And the second session of HBO's is at HBO's The Last of Us, which also shot in Killing Stones Anti-Rom-Com. The materials outcome. Yes, they were not enough. He will also be appearing in the Ariaster by drama in Fanatic but later this month. He will also be reprising his role
Kamu gak sia-sia. Buat waktu betul. Dan besok hari ini masih ada yang masih
The t-shirt was designed by London-based designer Conor Ives. Profits from the shirt benefit Trans Lifeline, a charity that offers emotional and financial support to transgender people. And the Pascal craze came to a boiling point last month when a look-alike contest was held in New York City, and as part of growing trend that brings out the birds. Our boss showed in outside. It's the Pedro takeover mask, who stars alongside him editor Good about Pascal during an appraise on Jimmy Kimmel. He's good, he's nice, he's funny. We can see it too, Emma. Even Robert Downey Jr., who will appear alongside Pascal in Marvel upcoming Avengers Doomsday Cloud. Yet can't get enough of Pascal. Pascal's slow trajectory to becoming a household name who is on a widely outstretched kind of difference being faith in our industry, Murray said in a Vanity Fair interview published last week. And Pascal celebrate his milestone 50th birthday in April and spoke faithfully and honestly about the lessons he is currently having at his age. Stepping into my 40 years felt adult and empowered. Pascal told the publication that faith is far more forever, much more forever. What a silly thing for a 15-year-old to have all this attention. Silly, not quite, more like superb. Here's the story of the beef between them. There is no love lost between hip-hop rockers 50 Cent and Cindy Combs. 50 Cent has worked out on social media, especially after silent publication of Sylvan's video showing Combs. Sally has then replaced Kiss Victoria in 2015. Now, the rapper turned actor and producer has taken it up a notch with his last project, directed with documentaries about Combs. 60 Cent brother Kevin Jackson is a producer of the 4-part series. She comes directly with Don Gilstein. According to the director Alexandria Stepson, the project was inspired in part by Ventura. She testified against Combs in a federal sex trafficking trial this year, in which Combs and Pascal faced a charge of transportation engaged in prostitution. Being a woman in the industry and going through the aspect, Me Too, watching James the music and film were on trial, and to know what the outcomes were when Casey wrote her lawsuit against both in this court go a million different directions. Stephen said, I wonder how she has the confidence to go out there against a mobile life safety. As a filmmaker, I instantly knew the stress is of whether we have changed as a culture. As far as being able to process allegations like in freely, Combs has repeatedly denied some allegations of wrongdoing that has brought out 50 Cent from going on social media since the allegation went public. By the way, the band here's a look back at how rare came to be a mostly between the two bands. This track in 2006 Figure said with this track which featured sounds of fire at his allegation which confirmed the identity of the killer of Christopher Wells. A weapon known as the Notorious B.I.G. has both a footage and the different counts. Was gunned down in Los Angeles in March 1967 as he and his crew which include counts. They are traveling in caravan and the armed was in different vehicles from the was an armed at the time was set up. No one has even been charged with the murder. In his districts and 50 rights, I guess this means I won't being fit. To the white parties and the hands of representing comes. Famous shows have in uptown New York community. 50 Cent has also said he believes comes in connect to the 1060 Guns code such allegation sense in a 2016 interview with the syndicated TV show The Breakfast Club. He has never been charged in connection to identities. Consistent story. Followers of 60 are familiar with his reputation for sharp comments and social media trolling. The television production has made Guns frequent targets, taking everything from his music to his stage. Some believed it was mostly marketing, especially given the main career and even country podcast and Arab Point. Even podcast from 60 Cent and Shannon which probably runs with comes. But 5 days after the 50 booked his comment after concert shoot in November 2023 by the Ventura, who in a new announced civil complaints rate. The accounts later her in 2018 had over than more than this decade would they were in a relationship. Forms has the allegation that apologized on Sunday for the incident in the surveillance video. After further investigation, Search Combs in Los Angeles in March, 60 Cent was on X. No, it is Diddy and it's Diddy down. Then don't come. They go to case. Diddy denies there is beef. Combs was asked about the tension between him and 60 Cent during the appearance on the Breakfast Club in 2019. I don't have no belief he loves me, Combs said. You are crazy that loves me. You really think that there is hat? You know he loves me. He ate take things 50 Cent things about him seriously when he does very timid and I don't really take it personal. I know he has a different sense of humor and he's just not in my life. We don't have never prospects and I will never say anything negative about him. You know, because they're just me. A son friends. Christian comes, who goes by King comes in the 27th of my 2024 he released a soldier in his side in support of his father and taking aim at critics like 50 The younger comes and his brother just did. We are temporarily and statement to CNN at the time that there was a growth effort of military effort for shared arms. There is no lectures for the expansion show of force and authorization by authorities on the way they treated employees prior to Prof's father's nonsense that his strike until a swipe and 50 cents that's serious for